फुटबॉलात कांयच अशक्य ना हे आमी साळगांवकारान 2010-11ची आय लीग सर्त जिखतकेच पळयलें। ते ताजे पयलींचे सिजनान रेलिगेट जाल्ले, पुराय जिद्दीन परत येवन वस्तादपणूय जोडलें। आता रोमेनियन कोच पेत्रे गिग्यून आपले मार्गदर्शनान चर्चिल ब्रदर्साक वस्तादपणा मेरेन व्हरपाची मोख दवरल्या।
And it's very difficult to pass from one team what's happened last season, and now we think for obtain first place, because in football you say this year you finish 9, next year you finish 6, after 4, and you fight after 3-4 years you fight for, and now it's we try to do, because Mr. President changed many players. The foreigners players are very good foreigner players, and now we try to change the rules of the football, because the rules step by step. No, we try now to attack the first place, and I hope to because the players work very good. Do you know, we were in camp 10 days. After every day, sometimes 2 days, 2 practicing days, sometimes 3 practicing days. They worked very good and too much, and I hope to now we'll see the results in the field.
चर्चिल पोरू रेलिगेशन झोनान आशिल्ले, पूण तांकां AIFFन लिगांत खेळूंक दिलां। अशेंच Aizawl FC बरोबर 2016-17च्या सिजनान जाल्लें, उपरांत ते वस्ताद जाले। चर्चिलान टीम हे फावटी बरे तरेन तयार केल्या अशें ताजे फ्रेंडली प्रदर्शना नंतर दिसून आयलां। आतां आयतारा डिफेंडिंग चॅम्पियन मिनर्वा वांगडा आय लिगांत आपले पयले मॅचींत वार्काचो हो क्लब कसो खेळटा हाचेर सगळ्यांची नजर। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट।